Okay. This, what you have to take it off. You take the bottom off first, then come up here, get 3 of these. So, 1, take this off right here. Then right there, and the only 2 right here that's holding it right there. I think it's 17 or 19. I'm not quite sure. Let me see. The 14 up there. It's 19. Okay. Yeah, that's 19. Yeah, that's all. 1 right here, 1 right there, and 1 right here, and 1 right there. And unscrew those 3 nuts, that thing will come off. But when you put them on, it needs to be 2, so to, one of them help hold it. So that ought to do it. So I don't have a hand to, so maybe I'll be able to show you guys later. Bye.